Okay, the purpose of this video is to show how to replace the tilt latches on the new Supreme single hung Kohltech window. You're going to need a Phillips bit, Phillips screwdriver, chisel, probably a butter knife or anything to work anything flat that we can get underneath that tilt latch with. So, let's start by removing the sash, unlock it, raise it up 6 to 8 inches, grab your tilt latches, tilt it in, bring it down to a 9, you're a little bit beyond, lift your sash up out. This is your tilt latch here. We're going to remove the thumb bolt portion of it. That's where you use your chisel or butter knife, anything will work to get in underneath that with, and pop it out. Next step, we need to take this screw out that's in there just as a guide to keep that tilt latch. Back that out. Once you back that out, you can simply push your tilt latch out. Now, there is a spring in underneath that. You got to be careful not to lose that spring. When you're going to go put your new tilt latch in, you hold that spring down flat, slide it in. You're just going to slide it back until you see that notch that the screw goes into. And this is going to be a very important step when you put that screw in. Be very careful not to over tighten it. You probably may want to use a screwdriver at that point, because if you get that too tight, it will stop your tilt latch from moving. So you want to make sure that that's still moving. Once you get that moving, you take your thumb bolt, make sure it's pointed in the right direction, that way, so you're same direction as your tilt latch. Put that down into place, start one prong in, snap the other end, and your tilt latch is replaced. Put the sash back in. Make sure it's down into the pivot shoes. Lock it up. You're going to want to try your tilt latches again to make sure they're working. And it's very important to make sure that your tilt latch is engaging into the chamber. If not, when that window's raised, if that's not engaged, it'll allow that to come out of there.